glad that you appreciate and like my dance, but I have to make some corrections. In the dance, there everything is consistent. It alterates every rotation. It just changes to two parts between part one and part two. And then I think at rotation five, 4 or 5, it goes into the tag. It starts off with the tag, and then in the middle part of the song, it goes into the tag, which you do 4 times. Other than that, you're just doing part one, part two, part one, part two, part one, part two, no changes. So I do apologize for that. I do apologize for the time frame that it has taken me to make the correction. But I am grateful that you do like my new things. So here's the correction, and here are the instructions. So the tag, again, starts with the tag, which is Chicago Basic, going to the left side. 5, 6, 7, 8, left 2, 3, right 2, 3, 2, right, left. All right. So then go to the next step. You're gonna run it up on your right. Triple step on your right. 5, 6. We're going back to the top again. 5, 6, 7, go left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right. Okay. And you don't want to do a kick, you want to do a scuff. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, 2, 3, right, 2, 3, right, left, right, left, right, left. Go back on your left, left, cross over, right, right, over. All right, we almost finished. 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, 2, 3, right, 2, 3, right, left, right, left, right, left, left, cross over, right, cross over, right, easy, left, left, right, out. That's it. And you do both walls, 2 walls, and you go to the right side on the back wall. So let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left step, lock, right step, lock, right, easy, left, left, right, out. Go right 2, 3, left 2, 3, kick, left, right. You're gonna run it up on your left this time. Triple step on your left. Left, left, scuff on your right, scuff right. Okay? Then you're gonna do a step lock back on your right. Back right step lock, back left step lock. You're gonna rock easy to your right, on your right foot. Rock easy and right, left, out. Okay, let's do the back wall. I should be behind you. 5, your left foot is out, and we're going to our right side. 5, 6, 7, 8. Basic right, left, kick left, right, right, left, right, kick. If it's a scuff, scuff. Okay, then you're going to step lock on the right. Go back right, going back left, turn to the right, rock easy, and right, left. Okay, so this is the tag. So let's do that. Front and back wall. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, step, lock, right step, lock, right easy, and left, right, out. Right 2, 3, left 2, 3, kick left, right, and scuff right, right step lock, left step lock, turn right, and right, left, out. All right, I know you did it very well. Excuse my voice. I have had a cold for a couple of weeks. It's getting better, and it's windy outside, but it's nice. It's a beautiful day. So yeah, here we are. Okay, now we're getting into the dance part 1. Part 1, lock to the left, going back. Left step lock, right step lock. Okay? You're gonna step back on your right, step back right, drag it, come in, right back, drag, bring it in. 5, 6, 7, 8. Left step lock, right step lock, right back drag, right back drag. Going to the right, swirl, swirl, right turn, step left. Now women, you make it, get on your toes, your toes. Men, you do your own thing. Okay, so you're gonna kick left and then cross back. Right, 5, 6, 7, 8. In left step lock, right step lock, right back drag for 2. Swirl right, tap, kick left, cross back, and right twist to the back wall, back wall. That was 4. So you should be at the back wall on 4. You're going to do the same thing, going to the left side. 5, 6, 7, step lock back. Left step lock, cross over to the right, right back drag for 2, right back drag for 2. Swirl to your right, swirl to your right, tap. Kick left, cross back on your right, step right and twist, 2, 3, 4, back wall. Okay, that's all the part 1. So let's put that together. See how that goes. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, step lock. Left step lock. Right step lock. Right drag. 2, 3, 4. Swirl right tap. Kick left. Cross behind. Right twist. 2, 3, 4. Go left. Left step lock. Cross to your right. Right back drag for 2. Swirl to your right. Swirl right and tap. Kick left. Cross back. Right twist to the back wall on 4. All right. Now, the last part, second part is you're going to push on your right every time. So you just change it, alternating between the step lock and the push. That's it. Then you just do the tag again at part 4 or 5. All right, here we go. So twist, 2, 3, 4. Push on your right. Push right and up, out, stuff. On your left side, left push, up, out, stuff. Let's do it again. 5, 6, 7 on your right. Right push is up, out, stuff. Left push is right, out, stuff. Then you're going to do a half turn rock for 8, whatever that is for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Do the exact same thing. Right push. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Right push. And up, out, scuff on your left. Left push on your right. Up, out, scuff. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right push is up, out, scuff. Left push. Right, up, out, scuff. Half turn on your right. Go to the right. 8 count. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, that's all the part 2. So let's put it together. All the part 2. 5, 6, 7, 8, 6, 6. And up, out, up, it's up, out, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right push. And up, out, scuff, left push on your right, up, out, scuff, and turn to your right, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so this rotation, you're going to go to what? The step lock. Both walls. Then you go back to the push, then you go back to the rotation, to the step lock. That's it till you get to the wrap part. Whatever that, I never counted to that part, but I am. So I'm gonna do the demo dance for you, and that's it.